Hello everybody, got another short video here I wanted to do on downspouts and on your gutters in it. I've seen a lot of people when they're doing downspouts and both ends are the same on it instead of crimp like this end is, and it'll slide into it. A lot of people will squeeze them in and crush them with their fingers, and it will work, but it makes a mess out of these most of the time. And there's a company called Midwest. They make a crimper just for that job. And in this pair, they're made in the USA. I think they're around like 20 bucks. I think you can get them up to Menards if you got a Menards around by you. But this is a 5-blade crimper. Has 2 on one side, 3 on the other side. When you do these, you'll want to put the side with the 2 on the inside of the corners. Squeeze it and it crimps the corner. You'll do this to all 4 corners of it. And as you can see, the corner's smooth there, and after I crimp it, it'll have the little ripples in it like the rest of it does. And you can just take and slide it into your other one and go ahead and finish putting up your downspouts. But they're a nice little handy tool to have. Like I said, they're made by Midwest. You can get them at Menards or wherever for around like 20 bucks. Or you can go online and order them, I think, and get them. But anyway, great tool to have. Highly recommend them. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. And have a great week, everybody. Bye.